Don't even hear a sound. But I'm in the clearing back here. A long tree. Yeah, there are a lot of paths and lines of cutting they've done. I'm standing on one right here. You can see it going into the center. Oops, you can only see me. Anyway, behind me, you can see off on my left, there's at least one I could see. And off to my right, there was two others. And they all really lie right on where Lay Lane is as a boundary. I don't see nothing south of Lay Lane. So, you'll still look around behind my shoulder. Yeah, the forest back here is pretty nice. Not much grown up and all that. It just seems like when you get closer to the wall is when all that lineage starts showing up. This little new road that they built here pretty much looks like it goes towards the back of my house here. Because I could barely see an American flag way in the distance. Through the trees. And it all kind of like goes into a center point about there. Huh. Very interesting back here. Hey, I think this is road number 5 that's going in. But this should be going over around her property, maybe even towards the pond. That was the road that was going towards my house. I'm going to work my way up to the northern side to figure this out a little bit better. And hopefully I can hear the beep of the droid. But nice and quiet out here. No other noises. Okay, now I'm at the center point, and where the logs are is pretty much almost where Bingham Trail is. So it's not that bad. So once you make it a little bit further back here, there's really a center point in there cutting. In the direct direction that I'm pointing, there's a road. Over there is like a road. Over there is a road. Seems like this road over here goes towards my house, and that might go right behind towards the pond. So right ahead of you here, that goes the Lay Lane, and the rest just goes to the northern side. Interesting layout. Well, getting close to the Bingham Trail. Probably make my exit out that way. Well, here it is. Take a look at the trees. From this side anyway. This is probably one of the last photos we'll take of these suckers. Well, here we are. Center operations. A lot of logs. A lot more logs. And down there, that's where everything forks into the other rest of the forest. Yeah, there's a lot of evidence it's all going. A lot of evidence. There is the side of Mary's house. Right there. Got some logs. Got some equipment. Get the big guy here. And probably a dragger over there. That's what we have. Right off of Bingham Trail. Well, here I am on Bingham Road. You know, the drone didn't come this far down. Hey. Well, that's it for my broadcast of the backwoods of Live Oak. There you go. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Wasn't pretty to see. Not pretty to see.